Yep.
What's this, Sydney?
I don't know. Not so close on her face, Randy. I don't know what happened.
What's this?
Let me see. I can't see it.
What's this?
Away from her face, Randy. She doesn't know. Let me see. Let me tell you. It's a fox. Out of her face, Randy.
That's fox.
Yes. Lord have mercy. All right. Well, call me when you're done.
Daddy.
All right.
Daddy.
You teaching Sydney her animals?
Daddy. What's this?
You know what that is.
Ooh.
Let me see.
Who is this?
I can't see.
What's that?
Oh, that's a caterpillar.
That's caterpillar, Mama. That's caterpillar.
Yes.
This is my animals. The pig. That pig.
Very good.
What's this? The rat.
Giraffe.
Bee.
Very good. Bee.
Zip.
Ah, the bee got me. Don't let the bee get Sydney, okay? The bee doesn't get Sydney. No. Okay, that's it. Just one time. No more.
Bee.
Be gentle. Gentle hands.
Bee. Oh, what's this?
Let me see.
What's this?
That is an otter.
The otter. The otter, Sydney. What's this? The lamp. Where's that, Sydney? That Nemo. That me.